Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the cache and cookies from Microsoft Edge. So pretty straightforward tutorial here, and we're going to jump right into it. First thing is first, make sure you have the Edge browser open. Once that is accomplished, we're going to go select the settings icon near the top right corner of the browser window. Where if you hover over it, it should say settings and more. Go ahead and left click on that. Now on the settings list, you want to go select history and then select clear browsing data. So at this point, you can select the time range, how far back you want to go, and if you want to delete browsing history, cookies, and other site data, cached images, and files, you can select all or none. Well, if you select none, it's kind of defeating the purpose of even doing this, but if you just want to delete the cache and cookies, just uncheck everything except these two items here, so cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. You can see save passwords, autofill form data, none of that is changed here by clearing this. So you can change the time range here as well. And then once you have it set up, you can go select the clear now button, begin clearing this. And once that is done, that's pretty much it. Close out of here, restart your computer, and you're done. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.